In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Instagram password, step-by-step guide. Instagram won't show your password inside the app for security reasons, but you can still view it through your phone's password manager, provided your login was saved. So first, let's make sure Instagram is saving your credentials properly. Open Instagram and tap your profile icon at the bottom right. In the top right, tap the three lines to open the menu, then select Settings and Privacy. At the top, go into Account Center, choose Password and Security, then tap Saved Login. Select Instagram and make sure Saved Login is turned on. This setting securely stores your Instagram details so your device can retrieve them later in your password manager. If it's already on, you're good to go. Next, exit Instagram and open the Google app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right and select Google Account to open your account settings. Swipe along the top to the Security tab, then scroll to Password Manager and open it. This is where your saved passwords live, tied to your Google account on the device. Inside Password Manager, look for Instagram in the list of saved logins. If you see multiple entries, pick the one you actually use. Tap Instagram, and your phone will ask you to authenticate. Use your device PIN, fingerprint, or face unlock, depending on your settings. After you authenticate, you'll see your username and your password with the password hidden by dots. Tap the eye icon to reveal your Instagram password in plain text. If you need to use it elsewhere, you can tap copy to place it on your clipboard and paste it where needed. A couple of quick safety tips while you do this. Keep your screen private when revealing a password and only copy it when you're ready to paste. Some devices also let you clear the clipboard afterward, which can be helpful. If Instagram doesn't appear in Password Manager, it may not have been saved yet, or you might be viewing a different Google account than the one used on your phone. Double check you're in the right account and that saved login is enabled in Instagram. On some devices, the screens or labels may look slightly different, but the general path is the same. Open your Google account, go to the security section, and then open Password Manager. And that's it. You now know how to view your Instagram password using your phone's password manager. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.